On February 26, a 13-year-old girl was reported missing around 8 p.m. Her name was Madeline Soto. Her mother's boyfriend said he dropped her off near Hunters Creek Middle School. According to investigators, Soto's mother went to the school around 4:30 p.m. to pick her up but was told that Soto had never come to school that day. In addition, Soto's phone was left at home. Later, the body of a missing 13-year-old girl was found in Osceola County, according to the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Welcome to Rotten Crimes, the channel where we delve into the darkest and most intriguing criminal cases. Today, we explore a case that shook a community and left many questions unanswered. This is the story of Madeline Soto. Join us as we piece together the events leading up to that day, examine the evidence, and seek to understand what really happened. Who was Madeline Soto? What led to this tragic event? And most importantly, who is responsible? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the case of Madeline Soto, unraveling the facts and theories that continue to haunt those who knew her. This is Rotten Crimes. On February 27, the Orange County Sheriff's Office issued a release to the public about Soto's disappearance, asking for information about her whereabouts. Madeline was described as 5 feet, 1 inch tall and 110 pounds. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a green sweatshirt, black shorts, and white Crocs. In initial investigation, Stearns was asked about where exactly he dropped Soto off and where he went afterward. Throughout the conversation, detectives questioned some of Stearns' answers, seemingly prompting him to change his story. So the investigator started to doubt him. A massive search was conducted by the sheriff's office on February 28. Orange County Sheriff John Mina said that deputies accessed Soto's phone, finding information that indicated she wanted to live in the woods when she turned 13 years old on February 22. He also said that deputies searched the area where she was last seen, areas where they'd received tips, and any areas where their investigative leads took them. Ultimately, the search came up empty. However, the sheriff's office announced that Stearns was arrested as the prime suspect in Soto's disappearance. In a release, investigators said that detectives discovered disturbing images when they searched Stearns' phone, and a review of the device's data showed that someone had tried to delete the evidence ahead of time. The images and videos on his phone were criminal and sexual in nature, and detectives were able to pinpoint those crimes to the family's home in Kissimmee, the release shows. As a result, Stearns was arrested and held on no bond. He faces charges of sexual battery and possession of child sexual abuse materials. On March 1, deputies said Madeline Soto's body was found around 4:30 p.m. in the woods off Hickory Tree Road. Sky 6 flew overhead as law enforcement officers searched along Hickory Tree Road on Friday afternoon. Investigators said the girl's family has been notified. According to Mina, there was video evidence showing Stearns throwing items into a dumpster at the Kissimmee apartment complex around 7:35 a.m. on February 26, the day she was reported as missing. The sheriff's office later said that it found Soto's backpack and her school-issued laptop in a dumpster. While Stearns had reportedly dropped Soto off near school that day, Mina explained that wasn't the case, and Stearns was instead spotted driving a vehicle with Soto's body inside. After another long search, Orange County deputies finally recovered Soto's body from a wooded area off Hickory Tree Road in Osceola County. That night, a vigil was held in Soto's memory near her middle school. On March 2, Stearns waived his first appearance in the Osceola County Court, instead being represented solely by his attorney. The judge granted Stearns no bond. Aside from that, the Instagram account for Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez posted a confidential crime scene photo, which the agency later told News 6 had been accidentally shared with the public. The clothes seen in the photo are consistent with the outfit Soto was believed to be wearing when she was reported missing on February 26. On March 6, Kissimmee police announced they were continuing to investigate Soto's death. Court documents have been made public revealing that Stearns is charged with sexually assaulting Soto over an extended period. Despite Stearns' efforts to erase his phone's data, authorities managed to find evidence of the sexual assault, including files retrieved as recently as 2022, according to an arrest warrant affidavit. The affidavit states, after examining the phone's contents, numerous photos and videos were discovered, showing the missing child. At this point, we can imagine what happened to this child. According to the investigators, Soto was abused by his mom's boyfriend when she was 8 years old. They recovered disturbing photos from his phone and Google Drive which he tried to destroy. Stephen Stern's victim's mother's boyfriend revealed to the police that they all three slept together in the bed, and when his mother was not around they both slept on the bed because of the anxiety issues of the victim. When all of this happened, Soto's mother seems calm and not much worried about this situation. According to the deputies, when they showed clear disturbing pictures of his girl and his boyfriend, she was denied to recognize them. Maybe she was in shock, we don't know, but one thing is for sure, she knows something. Police still did not declare her innocent in this case. One question everyone asking that how Soto's mother did not know what was happening to her child for a long time, or maybe she is also responsible for this situation. Maybe she knows but did not stop his boyfriend. Anything could happen in this case. However, a teen's life was taken by a predator. For a long time, he abused her and finally killed her. This case is ongoing at this time. People are eager to know what happened in this case and whether our guilty ones were punished properly or not. And that concludes our deep dive into the tragic and mysterious case of Madeline Soto. While some questions have been answered, others still linger, leaving a community searching for justice and closure. Madeline Soto's story is a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the darkness that can sometimes hide in plain sight. As we continue to seek the truth, we keep her memory alive and honor her legacy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most haunting cases we've covered. If you have any thoughts, theories, or additional information, please share them in the comments below. Your insights could be crucial in uncovering more about this case. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Rotten Crimes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have many more cases to explore, and your support helps us bring these stories to light.